Welcome to our geography quiz. Today, we'll be testing your knowledge with a series of true or false questions. Let's begin.
Question 1. Geography is the scientific study of the Earth that examines spatial and temporal variations of physical and human phenomena. True or false? The correct answer is true. Geography is indeed the study of the Earth's landscapes, peoples, places, and environments. Question 2. The term geography is derived from two Greek words, geo, earth, and graphos, writing, describing. True or false? That's true. The word geography literally means to write about the Earth. Question 3. The hydrosphere refers to all living organisms on Earth. True or false? The answer is false. The hydrosphere refers to all water on Earth, while the biosphere refers to all living organisms. Question 4. The atmosphere includes all gases surrounding the Earth. True or false? That's true. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds our planet. Question 5. Biogeography studies only animals and not plants. True or false? The answer is false. Biogeography studies the distribution of both plants and animals. Question 6. Physical geography examines the distribution of natural features of the world. True or false? Question 7. The lithosphere is the solid layer of rocks covering the Earth's surface. True or false? The correct answer is true. The lithosphere is the rigid outer part of the Earth, consisting of the crust and upper mantle. Question 8. Human geography studies the influence of human aspects on the Earth. True or false? That's true. Human geography looks at how human activity affects or is influenced by the Earth's surface. Question 9. Cultural geography focuses on the distribution and interactions of cultures. True or false? The correct answer is true. Cultural geography is the study of the spatial variations among cultural groups and the spatial functioning of society. Question 10. Population geography does not deal with birth and death rates. True or false? The answer is false. Population geography is very much concerned with birth rates, death rates, and migration. Question 11. Urban geography studies the development of rural villages only. True or false? That's false. Urban geography studies cities and urban areas, not rural villages. Question 12. Ethiopia shares its longest boundary with South Sudan. True or false? The answer is false. Ethiopia shares its longest boundary with Somalia. Question 13. Ethiopia's total boundary length is 5,260 kilometers. True or false? That's true. The total length of Ethiopia's land boundaries is 5,260 kilometers. Question 14. Djibouti shares the smallest boundary length with Ethiopia. True or false? The correct answer is true. The border between Djibouti and Ethiopia is the shortest of all its neighbors. Question 15. Relative location shows a country's position using latitudes and longitudes. True or false? The answer is false. That describes absolute location. Relative location is the position of a place in relation to another place. Question 16. Ethiopia is located between 3 and 1/5 in latitudes. True or false? That's true. Ethiopia is located within those latitudinal coordinates. Question 17. The western extreme point of Ethiopia is Akobo. True or false? The correct answer is true. Akobo is the most westerly point of Ethiopia. Question 18. The north-south distance of Ethiopia is greater than its east-west distance. True or false? The answer is false. The east-west distance is greater than the north-south distance. Question 19. Relative location refers to the position of a place in relation to the location of other geographic features. True or false? That's true. This is the definition of relative location. Question 20. Ethiopia is located between 3 and 1/5 in latitudes and 33/8 in longitudes. True or false? The correct answer is true. This is the absolute location of Ethiopia. That's all for our quiz today. Thanks for playing.